In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make more than $2,000 on complete autopilot. No matter how good you are with computers or where you come from, this strategy is right for you. I will explain it step by step and drop many exclusive tips and tricks along the way to help you double up your earnings. So make sure to watch until the end. This is probably one of the best ways to make money on Instagram. All you need is a computer, some good coffee, and you're good to go. The best part about this method is the fact that it is 100% free, and I will be showing you exactly how to make a lot of cash using this platform, which I believe most of you have never heard about before. If this is your first time here, make sure to show your support by giving the video a big thumbs up. And subscribe if you don't want to miss out on any new video. We put a lot of effort into this channel and it's always a pleasure to see our family growing. With that being said, let's jump into it. The website which we will be using today to make money online is called Kickstart.co. As you can see, this is a platform to get Instagram followers using a tool that provides organic and genuine Instagram followers. The platform is different from those services run by bots as it leverages artificial intelligence technology to help influencers grow their Instagram following base and get to a wider audience. You know this platform is genuine when you see that it has been featured on Forbes and Entrepreneur. Plus, it's trusted by 10,200 plus agencies and influencers around the world. But how does it work? Well, the tool will first analyze your existing audience and the pages that you follow. Then, it will proceed to like posts made by people who follow profiles similar to yours on your behalf. People will get a notification from your account and chances are they will want to like your post or even follow you back simply because their following page is similar to your own. The tool will not only introduce you to more people, but it will make the extra step and engage with them in a 100% natural way. This will save you a lot of time and get you some new followers and probably potential customers. Anyway, we are not here to use the tool or grow our social media Instagram account. You can offer the service if you are a social media agency. That's a solid way to make money online. But in today's video, we will explain a more powerful strategy. Well, I just want you to scroll down and simply hit on affiliates. You might have guessed it right, this is the section where you'll sign up to become an affiliate member. This is one of the best affiliate programs that we have ever covered on this channel. Nothing complicated, you will get paid whenever someone signs up using your affiliate link. What I like about this website is the fact that you can easily market the services offered by Kickstart. Many people and businesses are trying to grow their Instagram following base using different strategies, and this is by far one of the most advanced ways to get organic followers. Other than that, this is one of the highest paying platforms as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. In most cases, you're extremely lucky to get a 25% commission. But if you scroll a little bit down, you can see that the platform is offering a 50% commission. For those who are not familiar with affiliate marketing, a 50% commission means that you get to keep half of the money that a customer you referred here spends. That's huge! On top of that, this affiliate program has some very nice features as well. A 45 days cookie lifespan means that when a customer clicks your link but doesn't buy immediately, you will still get your full commission if the purchase decision is made within 45 days. This program got a 100% timely payout, which means that payments are always paid on time. Other than that, there are bonus incentives for extra monthly commission, so the longer your customer uses the platform, the more money you earn. So, it's a real passive income stream. But honestly speaking, 50% commission is not that appealing if the cost of the tool is not that high. If we check the pricing page, we can see that there are two options, the standard and the premium plans. The pricing per user is $49 and $99 respectively. If someone grabs the standard plan, you will immediately get paid $25, which is a decent commission for referring one single customer. But if you get someone to buy the premium one, that's a solid $50 commission. One of the things I love about this program is the fact that there is a 14-day money-back guarantee. This would make your marketing effort way easier. This is a great feature as people hate to give away their money if they have any doubts. But with a money-back guarantee, the risk is not that important anymore. And when they give it a try and see how much it is helping them, I am sure that they will keep using it, which means more commission money sent to your account every month. How cool is that? To get started, you just need to come over here and then click on Sign Up. You will be asked to complete this form. Make sure to fill up all the answers and agree to the terms of service and you're good to go. You will have your brand new affiliate account and you can start bringing new customers and get paid. I think this is one of the easiest ways to make money on Instagram. But the biggest question is, how do you get new customers? Well, that's simple. All you need to do is go to google.com and search for businesses that usually rely on social media to get new customers. I would recommend restaurants, gyms, health clubs, and photographers. For example, let's look for restaurants in Seattle. You can target any city around the world. Now, I want you to hit on Maps. This will show us all the restaurants available in this city. You can pick one of the results and scroll a bit down to get to their official website. Let's try this one for example. Once you get to their website, try to locate the links to their social media accounts. In general, the info about social media accounts can be found at the bottom or top of the page. In this example, the link is right here. Let's double-click it to see how popular their Instagram account is. This is their Instagram page. We can see that they have a small follower base, which is a great opportunity for us. All we need to do now is to set up an Instagram page where we share tips about social media growth. We can find some great content on Pinterest, then we can begin contacting these businesses and promote the tool. It won't be a big challenge as they can try it for free. And once the payment is made, you make your first commission and money keeps coming in every month as they renew their membership. You can duplicate this model and target other businesses, cities, or countries. This is probably one of the easiest ways to make money on Instagram and the possibilities are endless. And that's it for today. As always, if you enjoyed this content and you'd like to see more, make sure to support my channel by giving this video a big thumbs up. If you want to keep up to date with all my future uploads, then click that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow with another strategy on how to make money online.